Alright, so we want to estimate the yearly increase in the percentage of males claiming no religious affiliation from 1980 to 2012. And so to do that, I need to figure out what the total increase was and divide it by the total number of years during the time frame. The total increase would be the difference between 26.4 and 9.5, which is 16.9. So the percentage of males that increased claiming no religious affiliation from 1980 to 2012 is the increase from 9.5 to 26.4. And we can figure out how much it increased by subtracting the two numbers. So 16.9% increase in males claiming no religious affiliation. And the total time frame here is 2012 minus 1980. It's 32 years. This increase was realized over a time span of 32 years. And when we divide these and we round to the nearest tenth as it requested, we'll get 0.5. So the average increase in males claiming no religious affiliation is 0.5% per year. Every year that passes, an extra 0.5% of males are claiming no religious affiliation. Now we need to predict the future. What would the estimate be for 2020? To do that, I need to create an equation that I could use to predict the percentage in any year I want. Well, we can name the equation whenever I want. I'll name it capital P for percent. So we just learned that it's increasing by 0.5 per year. So it's going to be 0.5 times x, where x represents number of years since or after 1980, the start of the chart. And we have to add on what the percent was in 1980, that's 9.5. So this equation can be used to predict the percentage of males claiming no religious affiliation in any year we want, where x is number of years since 1980. And so it starts at 9.5 and then it increases by 0.5 per year. And we want to figure out what would the percent be for 2020. And in 2020, that's 40 years after 1980, so the value of x would be 40. And so we have P equals 0.5 times 40 plus 9.5. And so 0.5 times 40 is 20. So in the year 2020, we would predict that 29.5% of males would claim no religious affiliation.